Section 14 in the website is all about accessories. The bug screen, the swivel seats, and the footrest. Now, we made our own bug screens for the doors, and we've done this twice. The first time, my wife worked really hard at cutting, stitching, and sewing the first set. It took a lot of time and effort. And after several years, we replaced it, and I discovered a really easy method to make custom screens. Now, first off, I want to tell you that on the Ram Promaster sliding door, there is a little metal hook. And in our first screen, that little metal hook went through that screen. And we kept the screen for a long time. I removed that little metal hook because after researching online, I discovered the only reason that little hook was there was in case we were in a side swipe accident, it would keep the door from sliding open. Might not have been the safest thing to do, but I took that hook out, so it's no longer a problem. The next video you should check out is our DIY awning video. We wanted an awning that was cost effective and we needed to stay stealth, so we didn't want to mount anything on the side of our van. It's quick and easy to install and we can store it away in just a few minutes. So if you don't want to spend money on a commercial awning, check out that video. It doesn't cost much, and if it doesn't work for you, there's not a big investment. You can then later go spend thousands of dollars on the awning that fits on the side of your van. Other videos in this section are on our partition wall. It provides privacy at night, and it allows me to lock off the back of the van if we ever need to take it in for service. So check out that video. Then, if you don't already have one installed in your van, you need a grab handle for that side sliding door. It's easy to install. No matter what kind of van you have, you need to make it easy to get in and out of the van. If we didn't install this grab handle, people would be grabbing on the passenger side headrest. And after a while, I don't care how well built that chair is, that headrest or the chair is going to end up breaking. So check out the video on how to install that grab handle. It can be done for less than $20. Then I have a couple videos on safety and security. Now, I designed some locks to protect the van from smash and grab robberies. You can check those videos out and see how to conveniently and quickly protect yourself. I was selling these lock kits on Etsy, but that's going to end soon if it hasn't already ended because we're traveling. I'll put the design and all the instructions with links to the parts on the website if you're interested. We also installed a Webasto heater. That heater is awesome. It's expensive, but it's awesome. I did a step-by-step video on its installation, so if you're going to put in one of those heaters, check out that video first. If you found this video useful, please give us some positive feedback by giving it a thumbs up, subscribing, using our links, or even better, putting a comment below. I really appreciate you watching, and I'm hoping you'll see our other videos.
I wanna find freedom faster before the daylight turns to gray. I wanna find freedom faster and spend it all on today. It's not a race to the finish line, it's just the comfort of your hand in mine. Yeah, we're gonna find freedom faster.